Sika. It's easy to say. Kuya Gab. Kuya Gabriel. Turog ka na. Baka liman. Ding dong. Boy bawang. Boy bawang ang puti.
Bakal na ka.
Pag ding dong unmix. Tapos ano, boy
May
bawang
bawang.
puti.
May bawang o tingdong. Kung nga nandiyo.
Basta puti na boy bawang ha. Hi, Golden
Kung
Pizza.
warag, may bawang tingdong.
Oo. Basta puti na boy bawang. Hi, Golden Pizza. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you. Golden Pizza BJ. What are you doing? I'm doing live. I'm sitting down here. I'm doing live. How are you guys? How are you, Golden? Why did you start? Yeah, I restart. I restart. Thank you for the time side. Thank you so much. I'm watching cartoons. Yeah, watching cartoons. Why? I restart because I forgot I forgot something to put in on my live streaming. And the settings, I forgot. So I need to restart. Yeah. I'm not watching cartoons. Maybe Gab, my Gab. Thank you. Thank you so much. TV is loud. Wait. The TV is loud. Thank you, 3 million people watching. 3 thumbs up. How much you love me? Priceless. So priceless. So priceless yun. Saan ba price, diba? More than $1 million. More than. You can't afford. Nobody afford. Sorry. Yes. Papa, howdy. Hi there, how are you? I'm good. Sorry, Raj, broken heart. Why broken heart? Soraya Raj. How are your family members? They're good. Are good. I'm always, I'm always wish healthy, always healthy, safe, yeah. Always having a food for ano. It's always healthy and safe. Nano, nano,
Wala man pati sa buka ko.
wala, nano lang.
Wala.
Sarado na.
Diri.
Dito ka ra, Virgie.
Wala man.
Sarado? Karamihan.
Wala man.
Sina rin.
Dingdong.
Dito ka ra, Jessica. Mayan dito.
Wala man.
We. Hi, Tito Stefan. How are you? Because I love failure, huh? Do you love failure? For me, failure is too much failure in my life. I'm tired. So I love failure. Good evening, Cheryl. Hi, Tito Stefan. How are you now? Where's Tita? Where's Tita Tito? Because my love is failure that only has a broken heart. But you love it. You love that person who broke your heart. That's why you love. Thank you for the thumbs up. And the 4 million people watching. Thank you. Tita is doing stuff around the house. Okay. She's preparing food for breakfast, maybe. Sorry, maybe you shouldn't have messed up. Maybe sorry that. Thank you for the 6 people. Thank you so much for watching my live. Thank you so much, guys.
Tagay.
Baka naman ako dito sa ano. Gusto mo, baka naman ako sa dingdong. Kung wala dingdong, boy bawang na puti. Tapos kumuha kami ni Digis. Okay. Sabanos na kita. Halos na Thank you for the 5 thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sobra miss na kita. Why you like to do? What you like to do? I like to do. I want to travel. I want to go to the nature like that. Eat foods, healthy foods, fruits, vegetable, Bicol Express, seafoods.
25 lang.
Oo.
Labit na. Ding dong.
Oh, everyone, everyone, please hit the like button top your screen. Thank you. Sobrang miss na kita. I'm a somebody who can love me with my waist. What are you doing, Tim? What are you doing now? Huh? Yeah, I forget the last part of everyone. Yeah, I know. I need to adjust the common sense. Kenneth, hi Kenneth. No bros back. Nothing. Nothing? Hi Kenneth. Where are you from, Kenneth? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you what? I'm looking for the ghost. Ghost? Hmm, the ghost. Why are you smiling? No comments going on, Lul. Kinuha mo na? Ah. Yeah, yeah. Ding dong. Ding dong. Sobrang miss na kita. You like this, Marasi? Yes. Oh no, dog is here. I know why she is smiling. What you have for dinner? Fish and rice. Always. Buyute. No, Golden, there is a ghost in my house, so I'm looking for it. ghost. Ghost in your house. And you stay in it. Lol. Oh, shut up! Passport. Bye! Jelly, that's a nice name. That's violent. The ghost is behave and kind, no? Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. You come here again. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. I think Cheryl will be a little scared at first. All good. Thank you, Rodrigo. How are you now? You going to work now? Have a good day. Have a nice day. Passing by to say good night. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for passing by. I am at work. Okay. Take care and God bless you always, Rodrigo. Keep like okay. See, where are you from? I mean, what is your work again, Rodrigo? Steven Martin. Good evening, Cheryl. Nice seeing you here today. Hi, Sir Steven Martin. Thanks so much for joining my live here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Sir Steven. Will you be afraid of the ghost? I'm not afraid. No. I'm afraid the ghost. 9:47. 9:47. AM there. Bye-bye, my flower Philippines. Bye, Rodrigo. Thank you for passing by. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Take care always and God bless. God bless your night. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you. God bless you too. Have a nice day. God bless your night. Thank you. Matulog ka na, Gab? Gab? Mm. You open that bank account I asked you to do. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet open bank account. What's your breakfast, Tim? Robena Pacoli, hello, do you remember me? Yes, I remember you. How are you, Robena? Thank you for joining again my life. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Good. Same as usual, bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. Okay. At McDo or McDo? McDonald. I just come from school. Okay. Good job. Thank you. Welcome. Tomorrow I make pancakes. Wow. You know how to make pancakes? And today I make peanut brittle. Peanut brittle. Peanut brittle. Oh my god, yes. Okay. Goodbye, because now we will do the homework that the teacher gave us. Okay? Thank you, Robina, for passing by here, and thank you so much. Good. Google it. Okay. Google it. See you later. Thank you, Robina. See you later. Thank you. Google peanut brittle, so you know what it is. Okay. Okay. Peanut brittle. Jay Makaya. Hi, Jay. Hi, son. Tim, he's my cousin. Jay. Kopi ka talaga sa gabi. Kopi sa gabi, sa umaga, tanghali, hapon, kape, kape is life. Where is everyone tonight? Maybe, they're busy. They're busy, that's why not joining here now. Naaway mo kasi sila. Charot. Yes, coffee is life. Yes, I know. Gusto mo sa de? Coffee is life. Make sure Gab doesn't drink too much. Yes. Ano?
Di ko na, maano kasi ano. Ulitan ko.
So may plus baga.
Oo.
Disgusting master rank. Hi, buddy. Hi. How are you? How are you? Ha?
Dito ka sa isa. Ay,
Kaplan.
oo. Ay, Lodi. Wala. Kaana ako, Lodi. Nakaan na ako, nakas. Hindi bagaha.
Dito sa mo nito, di ka na makadaan.
Hindi
Diretso
na.
ka na. Tapos dito sa left side. Kaya ano muna ito, start over. Start over. Ito. Dito.
Ay, ako pa din.
Di man, nakatalilis. Give you a like. Thank you. Thank you, disgusting master rank. Thank you for that, Zach. Thank you so much.
At sa nagparo kalusog ang ano sa ano ha. Sa bulos niya lang.
Have a nice day. Walang anumang kaibigan.
Ano ba yan?
Have a nice day and God bless. Kaibigan ko.
Wala man limit ko mga gabi ha.
Di man.
Wala.
I love your face. My face. Messy face. Messy hair. Pimples. Natural, I love. Natural.
Tapos
Then,
na lagi
next.
manik sa
Done. Done.
dan. Nakain mo na nga niya ako. Akay na, meron pa kain mo.
Okay.
Ang gut nga ni. Lukan tiyak ko. Rugad ako sa biyahe. Hanggang sa biyernes.
Hindi nga mali.
Sursugon, di sursugon meeting.
Mapagalo ng biyahe. Sa biyahe ako napapagal.
Nagsulong ako pag-abot dito. Tapos ulit naman eh. Sa aga na naman. Di ina ba?
What on? Just me, Chika, and Mandy. Who is with you? My sister. Gusto maimod ni ano ni sabi kong sino ang kaupod ko. My sister.
Sila, ano?
Si Tim.
Ay, sito.
Her. Her.
Hi, Tem.
Hello. Hello, Tim. My Tim. Tim Harley. Thank you for the time.
Good evening, Tem.
Good evening. Patrick Griffin. Hi, Patrick. Hello, my friend.
Oh, wala pa. Awato.
Aton? Ba't hindi ka man nakakonect?
Kukunik mo.
Hello.
Nakakunik ba? Hindi ba nakakunik? Processing.
I-check mo daw ito nasa kanan. Ayan, processing pa nga. That's your mom, no? My sister. My sister. Tapos, kung gusto mo butang ng music, mag-adjust mo
Oo nga, hindi ho, di ba? Hindi ho.
Tapos, dan ka na. No, Patrick.
Baton. Ano, din ako sa limasalat sa na content.
Ang title.
Ang title yung ano.
Pagkatapos doon, diba, may ano doon. Bato mo gawin.
Panik ba ako?
Yan. Connected na. The one. No, she's not. No, Turn, she's not.
Please take a moment. Okay daw. Pero masagod, mamala ina. Pero ka na.
So that's all.
Padawat.
You have perfect natural lips. Sign of love.
Wala pa.
Harap pa.
Pada.
Pwede ma'am. I-diyo mo lang muna, mga lima lang muna. Try mo muna lima na pictures. Try lang. Mga 6 and 15 seconds. Where are you from? Disgusting Master Rank?
Di lang ada.
Di lang siguro.
Di lang ada.
Jungle Woods, USA. Okay. Jungle Woods. Don't get too much. Don't get too much love. Sharing your channel. Thank you, Disgusting Master Rank. Thank you. Don't get too much in love. Thanks, Disgusting, for sharing. Thank you.
Di na dapat dagdagan.
Ayo ha, di pwede. Hindi na.
Sa bulo siya.
Love.
Ano ka? Ay, may sipid na ako. Huwag niya ako. Wawon. Manala akong malamig.
22 na ngayon yan, ha?
Ano namang piro?
Bibis na sa aga.
Ano baga music ha? Ito na yung first.
Ikaw.
Hindi ka pwede magpili.
Hindi ka pa pwede ka di, ano pa man lang, ano.
Nagpipili ako.
Kung ano lang doon, ano. May na-save ka eh. Save. 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 Ito na save.
You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire.
Ano doon ang gusto mo?
Ano ito na ano? Always.
Baka dito, back.
Video.
No pa, add nyo sa add sound. Add sound.
Mga ito.
Forever.
Ito na. Tapos save. Yung araw.
Hindi mo na yun. Hindi yun sa araw.
So,
Tapos ito na ano, check. Hindi, wala ka na.
Yan, sabihin ako sa title.
Ito na, next.
Next.
May mabutang ka doon. Bago mo upload, sorry.
Ano ba? Puro kalso.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Disgusting. Puro kalusugan.
Tapos,
Giano. How are you? I'm fine, Giano.
di na ako lima. Dili na buta, dili ko na butang kon ano.
Ikaw, kung ano, kung pwede ka naman putang.
Magkura kalusugan lang. Bagay butang ko pa si Erosin Ilsa.
Ikaw, kung ano ang gusto mo.
Ano? Tapos din na upload na.
Upload na yun. Para maraman mo nag-upload niya. Pindutin mo yan, eh.
Tapos nakatawa sa siya.
Sa pause. Hindi, mayroon din ako ng ano. Wala pa na. Gano'n, may 1.3.
May mga pwede ko. Madali unya di yun, nabigla lang ako sa dulo.
Hi, salon people. Thank you. 11 million thumbs up. Salamat.
Sino nag-subscribe sa ako? Di naman na-emo da.
Hindi na. Ito ako, na-emote ko.
Ah,
Na-emote ko kung sino.
ako di ko pa man
Hindi ko
ma-emo.
naman. Kaya paano ano ka para maka-live ka man. Magkakasindagan, subscribe.
Nakay puro ka man lang. Ba't isang taon pa ini?
Ako nga yun, tanda.
Ako isang taon pa ini. Dapat sige lang ano ha. Send mga photo. Maski dire video ha. Ay, tinakal na. Abot pa na yun.
Ah. How are you, Giano?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Beautiful eyes.
Thank you. Good night, Tem.
Good night, Tem. Ay,
Good night, Tem.
gabi. Gabi, magandang gabi. Michelle, bon appetit. Marcilco. Michelle, good night.
Ay, di ako bugbugo na ako.
Ha?
Agad hanggang business, pabalik-balik niya. Rugi ako, rugi.
Lugado.
Kapag ka sa Friday, sakaray ka sa Friday.
Hindi, ano sinalo ka? Hindi ako.
Ayan.
Ha?
Dahil may meeting ako na business. Kumuha ako meeting. Hanggang na oras.
Ano yun? Halaga na 5 ada yun.
Rugi
Kay
na ako.
1 to ano yun.
Rugi na ako sa ba?
Ha. My sister phone ringing them. Not me, not my phone. My goodness. I can look at your face every day. Super cute. Super cute. Cute the pimples. The pimple is cute. 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 Lahat ng nararamdaman. Right na. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.